In this video we're gonna see how to change rear light bulbs on Renault Scenic 4. We're gonna change the fog, brake, reverse and direction indicator lights. For starters, let's check all the light bulb types. Taillights are LED, and we won't replace them in this video. Then we have the brake lights, reverse lights, direction indicators, and fog lights down on the bumper. Inside the trunk there is a cover that can be removed by hand. From here we can reach a plastic bolt. You can undo it by hand, but also it torques TX30, or you can improvise with something like this. Now we can remove the rear light. Push with the palm of your hand and on the other side pull gently with fingers. This plastic pin is fixating the light by fitting in this hole. Now we disconnect the cables with press and pull motion. Rotate the brake light bulb to get it out. And to replace it, gently push it down and rotate. Down here is the direction indicator light, and the process is the same. Here is the LED connector for the side light, but it's not meant to be replaced. Let's put this unit back. Gently tap it with the palm of your hand to fit it back. Let's check the reverse light now. Open the trunk door and on it is a plastic cap. We can pop it out with a screwdriver. Be careful to avoid scratches. We need a 10mm socket. And after that we can just push the plastic bit to get the light out. To get the reverse light bulb out, just pull it out, you don't have to rotate it. The only thing that is left to check is the fog lights, way down on the bumper. Here we need Torx TX20 for this one screw. You can see the connector, just turn it about 90 degrees and the bulb can come out. If you want to take the whole unit out, just undo one more TX20 screw over here. Subscribe if this was helpful and share your experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching.